영화 배우, 영화 배우. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is 배우, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 배우. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 338. 배우, 배우. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is be, second syllable is u. Pronounce it with me. 배우. The word 배우 is a noun which means actor. Again, 배우 means actor. How do you write the word 배우 in Hangul? It is composed of just two syllables. For the first syllable be, we need to draw first a beep character followed by an e character. For the second syllable u, we need to draw first a placeholder or no sound in followed by an u character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 배우. Now let's look at this example. It says movie actor. Again, movie actor. The Korean translation of this is 영화 배우. Again, it's 영화 배우. 영화 means movie, and 배우 is our word for today, which means actor. So, when we say 영화 배우, it means movie actor. And if you'd remember, we already discussed the word 여배우, and it means actress. And the counterpart of that is 배우, which means actor. So, looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 영화 배우 is simply movie actor. And with that, you've just learned 배우. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 328 to 337. But don't forget our word for today, word number 338, it's 배우, which means actor. The first word for our review is word number 337. It's 요리사, which means chef or cook. Next word is 여배우, which means actress. Next word is 쓰레기, which means trash. Next word is 칠월, which means July. Next word is 요리하다, which means to cook. Next word for our review is 이상하다, which means to be strange. Next word is 별로, which means not really. Next word is tuk, which means porridge. Next word is 갑자기, which means that was sudden. And the last word for our review is word number 328. It's 요리, which means cooking. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.